L to the O, V to the E, K to the I, N to the G. I don't know how he treat you, how they do it where you at, but all I'm trying to say is...
Well, hello, honey bunnies. This is Chocolate is Natural, and I'm here to announce that Miss Fancy Feather is hosting a fashion show called A Classy Valentine's Peep Show on February the 11th from 5 to 9 at Zanzibar, which is located off of Westheimer. The admission is $5 to get in, and she will have 5 performers there as well. I am very excited about this event. I will be there filming and taking pictures, and I will be styling some of the models' hair. So I hope to see you there. Enjoy. Oh, and also one more thing. Miss Fancy Feather is also sponsoring a giveaway for my listeners who tune in on Thursday, January 26th, for my radio
L to
show.
the O, V to the E, K to the I, N to the G. I don't know how he treat you.